ActiveCampaign and Drip, two powerhouse platforms in marketing automation. But which one actually works better for your business? On the left, the feature-rich ActiveCampaign. Powerful automation meets sales CRM. And on the right, Drip. E-commerce automation made simple for modern stores. Let's skip the shiny marketing promises and dive straight into the real differences. We'll score them across key categories, and by the end, you'll see who truly stands out in 2025. The winner might surprise you. Let's kick things off with a quick mind map of everything we're going to cover. We've got pricing, automation and workflows, e-commerce features, CRM and segmentation, reporting and analytics, integrations and ecosystem, and ease of use. Basically, all the stuff you should care about before throwing money at software. All right, first up, price. So, ActiveCampaign gives you a ton of features up front, and I do mean feature-rich. Plus, their pricing tiers work well if you're just starting out or have a smaller list. But as your contacts pile up, the price starts to soar. Not great if you're scaling fast, honestly. Now, Drip. Their pricing is made specifically for e-commerce brands. And yep, generally it's cheaper if you're in that lane. Plans are predictable, which is less stressful in my opinion. Small caveat though, there isn't any free plan waiting for you. Oh, and once your business gets big, both platforms will ask for a bit more cash. But with Drip, day-to-day costs stay friendlier. Winner for price, Drip. Next, automation and workflows. All right, ActiveCampaign here is a bit legendary. The visual automation builder is just super powerful. You get loops, splits, dynamic tags. If you want to nerd out, this is your playground. There are like 850 plus templates, so you can hit the ground running. It does have a learning curve though. Brace yourself if you're a total newbie. Drip, meanwhile, makes automation crazy simple for e-commerce stores. You've got intuitive workflows and playbooks for super common stuff like cart abandonment and post-purchase flows. Built-in ROI tracking is a cherry on top. But if you want to automate something wild outside e-commerce, it's not as flexible. So if you want more control and customization, ActiveCampaign takes automation. E-commerce features, okay, here's where Drip struts its stuff. Drip is basically built for e-commerce. You're getting really deep integrations with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Super granular triggers, product recommendations. This stuff is gold if you run a store. I mean, it even tracks product views and cart events. ActiveCampaign? Sure, e-commerce is covered. You get solid segmentation and those integrations, but it just isn't as obsessed with e-commerce as Drip. Absolutely. Drip wins e-commerce features. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Drip was, honestly, one of the earliest pioneers in e-commerce marketing automation? Like, way before it was trendy, people were using Drip to boost their Shopify sales. That's kind of impressive considering we're in 2025 now. On to CRM and segmentation. This is actually where things flip. ActiveCampaign tosses in a full-blown CRM system with pipelines, sales automation. It's basically a marketing, sales, and support Swiss Army knife. The segmentation is next level too, super nuanced. For e-commerce only brands though, all that heavy-duty stuff can feel like way too much. Drip keeps things simple. Great CRM basics for tracking shoppers, easy tags and segmenting, but if you want anything outside of that, not happening. No full pipeline, nothing crazy for general business. So, ActiveCampaign is your winner for CRM and segmentation. Let's chat reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign's reporting is good, channel ROI allocation and all. But when it comes to tracking exact e-commerce revenue per campaign, Drip is the king. Like, you know exactly which emails made you money, which flows netted you profits. For stores, this is clutch. The only thing is, those reports are laser focused on e-commerce. So if you're not in retail, maybe less useful. Drip takes it home for analytics and reporting. Integrations and ecosystem, gotta cover it. ActiveCampaign, I mean, you get like 900 integrations. That's everything, CRM, forms, commerce, support. And don't forget SMS, chat, email, you name it. It just plays nice with, well, almost everyone. Drip, on the other hand, gears its integrations specifically for e-commerce. You're looking at about 100 options. Shopify, WooCommerce, all the big guns. But if you need something outside e-commerce, kind of slim pickings. So for integrations, ActiveCampaign wins. Hands down, more versatile. And finally, ease of use and user experience. ActiveCampaign gives you a modern interface, lots of power, but yeah, there's a learning curve, especially with all that automation muscle. Drip, though, it's like Log in, and boom, templates everywhere. Beginner-friendly, perfect for busy e-commerce teams. If you're running a store and want zero nonsense, Drip's onboarding is super smooth. Only thing, advanced users might crave a bit more control. Winner here, Drip. It's just so easy to get started. Let's jump into the radar chart so you can visualize these differences side by side. You'll see where ActiveCampaign really flexes and where Drip keeps things lean and laser focused.
All right, bottom line, if you're running a general business, want huge automation options, and honestly need a CRM that basically does it all, go with ActiveCampaign. If you have an e-commerce store and you want the fastest workflow, deep Shopify WooCommerce love, and instant revenue insights, Drip is a no-brainer. Both are awesome, but they fit very different needs.
Did this comparison help out? Save it and hit up our next tech breakdown. You don't want to miss those.